learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Previously known as Nanjuxian, Kaohsiung Shanlin District is home to the Bingpu, Minat, and Hakka people. Many Hakka farming relics like choir or core raincoats, which are made from straw or palm fibers, and old water ladles and bamboo food steamers can be found. These items showcase the rich agricultural history of the Hakka people. Another feature nestled away in Shanlin District is the unique Baishuiquan waterfall. Due to annual flooding during the rainy season from May to October, ancestral people carved an opening from the mountain walls of the Nanju River. While it reduced flooding in the area, the redirection of the river formed the beautiful Baishuiquan waterfall. Today, it is a key landscape feature.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk About Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。Leo， 赶快带我们出去玩。
那就带大家去高雄市参林溪。
This is an area in Kaohsiung called Chamlimki, and it already sounds very mountainous. 听起来就很有森林的感觉。那里面有什么东西可以玩呢？
这个地区它有平埔州、平埔族，有哈嘎人、客家人、后龙人、闽南人。那里面这客家人的数量是比较多的，而且这个地区还有一个很好玩的地方，叫做拍水浅水冲。
拍水浅水冲，
拍水浅呢就是白水泉，
水冲就是瀑布，是不是？
你怎么知道？
你都说有水了，然后这个地方水冲，好像水要冲下来的感觉呢，
对啊，
就是水冲的意思。
其实意思就是这样子，水就会从那里冲下来。
Oh, good. Literally in Hakka, a waterfall means a water rush. 水要冲下来了，就是一个水的瀑布了。
它这个拍水浅水冲它是一个人工的瀑布。
Oh, no way.
当年就是因为怕这个地方淹水，后来他们在山壁上挖了一个洞，
让这个有一个出口就对了。
对，结果它就变成水冲了，
变了一个很漂亮的景点了。
是的。
All right, so by accident, this became a tourist spot. Originally, this wasn't a waterfall. They were afraid that it's going to get flooded around the area, so they opened up an exit for the water, and it, of course, became a waterfall. It's an artificial waterfall, but it's very pretty in the nature right now. 也叫做白水泉瀑布。
拍水浅水冲，
拍水浅水冲 and it's all found at 高雄市山林区。
高雄市参林溪。
高雄市参林溪。Go enjoy it this summer, and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.